Hey guys.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven.
So it's currently June 12th. I'm with Rebecca. Hi. She just got here. She just drove here. She just got her license. I still don't have mine. I'm about to get her food because she just worked for like how many hours? Like 10 or something like that? Yeah. Like 9-10 hours. So I'm gonna go get food. Good morning, guys. There's Rebecca. She's packing her bag. We're getting ready to leave for the beach. I'm gonna be driving there, so that'll be exciting. We made it to the beach. Hi. It's really pretty out. So fit check. We got this Beach Boys shirt, Billabong shorts. Give them a fit.
This is from Urban, and these are from Billabong.
Oh, mine's from Target and then Billabong. I didn't say that, but so yeah, we're just gonna like tan, probably take some pictures, go in the water for sure. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. There's a little crab friend. Am I zooming in on the right spot? Oh, I am! Oh my god, look at it! Oh my god, it's so cute!
I know you're feeling me, reciprocate my energy. I know you're into me, so just let it be. I know you're feeling me, reciprocate my energy. I know you're into me, so just let it be. Into me, no, I cannot get rid of you. Let me take you out, mark the spot on the calendar. Lavender silk sheets we can hide underneath. Hiding my feelings has never worked out for me. Make your mind up, do you mind? Make your mind up, don't be shy. Make your mind up.
Ay, she's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Hey guys, we're now in the car with Rebecca. We're gonna go get some acai bowls. I look really rough. It's really hot out, but yeah, it's like 12. So.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. guess it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days, two nocturnal days, makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me